Hello everyone. Today we will be talking about the attorneys, uh, in other words, lawyers that are specifically working for insurance. So before I start my video, I would like to request all of you to do subscribe our YouTube channel. What are insurance attorneys? So here we will see that what are insurance lawyers and what they do. So let's start insurance lawyer. What are they and what they do? So let's start their job description. Insurance lawyers are individuals who protect their clients' rights over the course of an insurance claim. There are many unsavory insurers and claimants, which mean hiring an insurance lawyer is critical to anyone navigating the claims process. They also handle several aspects of an insurance claim, from accident damage reconstruction to negotiations. An insurance lawyer will ensure that their clients do not pay more or receive less than what they deserve. So, what is an insurance lawyer? An insurance lawyer is a practice insurance law. They provide legal advice when the clients have legal questions related to an insurance claim. Insurance lawyers can also negotiate insurance settlements or litigate bad faith case in court. The types claims that insurance lawyers handle include property damage claims, car accident causes, health insurance benefits, disability causes, business liability claims, and more. By hiring an insurance lawyer, he or she will review the facts of your case and devise a strategy that meets your claim goal. It can be reassuring to know that someone is on your side if you decide to hire an insurance lawyer. They generally do not take in insurance lawyer's salary, instead, they get paid contingency fees by a percentage if they win your case. Who needs an insurance lawyer? You need an insurance lawyer when you need legal advice about insurance claim. Insurance companies may offer you less than what you deserve. While every case is unique, you may need an insurance lawyer when suing an insurer for insurance contract related issues, identifying a fair settlement amount in a personal injury case, forcing companies against insurance companies in a civil court, establishing if your claim was denied in bad or good faith. Receiving jacket insurance coverage is not always straightforward process. These cases are complicated and insurance lawyer will help you to make sense of your legal options and risks when making decisions. So this was all about it. Stay tuned for our next video. Goodbye.